If your Nest Hub Max camera isn't working, you're missing out on cool features, but don't panic. Most problems are simple to solve. Let's get your camera back in action. First, check if the camera is physically covered. There's a little switch at the back. Make sure it's not set to off. Still nothing? Try unplugging your Nest Hub Max for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Sometimes, a quick restart is all it takes. Next, make sure your device and Google Home app are up to date. Open your App Store and look for any updates. Outdated software can cause camera issues. If that doesn't work, double-check your Wi-Fi connection. A weak signal might stop the camera from working. Move your Nest Hub Max closer to your router, or restart your router. Finally, open the Google Home app, tap your Nest Hub Max and check the camera settings. Make sure the camera is enabled. If you see a message about permissions, follow the prompts. If you've tried all these steps and your camera still isn't working, it might be time to contact Google support. Don't give up. Most issues can be fixed at home. And that's it. Simple steps to get your Nest Hub Max camera working again.